Good morning, children. In the previous sessions, I have explained you about the HCF, that was highest common factor. In today's session, I am going to teach you LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. That was LCF, that was the factors. We were finding out the highest common factor amongst the numbers. Here we have to find the multiples. First we will find the multiples and then we have to find the least common multiples. Understood, children? The difference between HCF and LCM? Now what is LCM? LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the numbers without leaving a remainder. So what is LCM? Whatever LCM we are taking out of the numbers, that number has to be divided by the given numbers. जिनका हम LCM निकालने वाले हैं वो सारे नंबर्स उसके LCM को fully divide करने चाहिए and that number has to be the smallest number. Clear, children? I'll teach you how to find it out, then you understand it more. So there are two methods to find out the LCM. The first method is prime factorization method, which we are going to discuss in today's session. Second method is division method. As its name is explaining itself, prime factorization method में first we have to find out the prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, so once we will find out the prime factors of the given numbers, then we will find out the least common number. जो भी सारे उसके मल्टीपल्स होंगे उन मल्टीपल्स में से हमें लीस्ट कॉमन और मोस्ट कॉमन सारे नंबर्स को कलेक्ट करना है. ओके, डिविजन मेथड. In the division method, we will take all the numbers all together and then we have to divide them until we will get 1. This I will explain you in the next session. So today, to explain this first method, I am taking two examples from exercise 3.3, question number A, question 1 and 2. This we are going to do in today's session. In the classwork, you will do both of these questions and question number 3 and 4. As a homework, you have to do in your notebook. Okay, the question is, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. So let's begin the method. So question number 1 of A of exercise 3.3 is 12 and 15. So first I will find out the prime factors of 12 and 15. From 2 itself I will start always, and you also remember that you always divide the numbers by the prime numbers and start from 2. Try to start from 2. 2, then 3, then 5, then 7 and then 11. Okay, try to divide the given number by these starting prime numbers. Clear, children? So 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are 6 and then 3 1s are 3. I can cross check it. How? 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So I have divided it correctly. The second one is 15. Okay, I'll take 15. So 15 is not divisible by 2. So I will take 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So these all are the prime factors. So we will write all the prime factors of 12 and 15. So 12, the prime factors of 12 are, or we can say prime multiples are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And 15, 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. So I can write it like this, 3 multiplied by 5. Either I will write it like this, 3 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 3. It is same. Okay. Now we have to find out the common multiples. So 3 is common. Okay. Now because this is LCM, so we have to find the least common multiples. जो सबसे कम कॉमन होंगे हम यहाँ पर उन नंबर्स को भी लेंगे. ओके, सो 5 इज लीस्ट कॉमन, 2 is least common and 2 is also least common. So what will be our LCM? We will take this 2, multiply by this 2, multiply by this 5 and multiply by this 3. So the highest common multiple will be taken first and then we will take the other numbers which are least common also. Please don't get confused in HCF and LCM. In the LCM what we were doing? Highest common factor. वहां पर हम लोग factors निकाल के फिर highest जो common factors थे उनको multiply कर रहे थे. और यहाँ हम क्या कर रहे हैं? यहाँ हम लोग हर least common number को ले रहे हैं. Then we are multiplying. Okay? Now the numbers what you got over here, you have to multiply those numbers. Okay? So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 23s are 60. So my LCM is 60. Clear children? Now you can check your LCM also. As I told you that the LCM which you have taken out, this is the least common number which is divisible by given both numbers. So 60 has to be divisible by 12 also and 15 also. So 12 5s are 60. So it is fully divisible and 15 4s are 60. So it is fully divisible by both the numbers. So my answer is correct. Now I will explain you the second question, that is 21 and 28. 21 and 28. Okay. So I'll take out the prime factors of 21. 21 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Because 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. Remember the rule of divisibility. 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. Now 28. 28 is divisible by 2 because as the ones place it is having even number. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 14 twos are 28. 2 sevens are 14 and 7 ones are 7. So prime factors of 21 are 3 multiplied by 7 and prime numbers of 28 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now here also we have to apply the same rule. First of all, I will encircle the numbers which are common in both the given numbers. That is 7. 7 is most common. Then 2 is least common. Then 2 is least common. Then 3. Okay children. Now we will multiply this. 7 twos are 14. Okay. 14 twos are 28. Now we have to do 28 multiplied by 3. If you don't know the table, you can multiply it over here. 8 threes are 24. So 4 you will write here. 2 here. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So your LCM is 84. Children, I think you understood the method very well. I will explain you it again. First you will take out the prime factors of both the numbers. If there are 3 numbers, you will take out the prime factors for 3 numbers. You will write the multiples. Then you will encircle the numbers. First, most common numbers you will write and then the least common numbers. And then you will multiply all the numbers to get the LCM. This 84 is divisible by 21 also and 28 also. Children, now I will explain you one example of your book which is given on page number 34. Okay? So, let's see. Example 1. Find the LCM of 8, 24 and 36. So, first of all, we will find out the prime factors of all these 3 numbers. So, prime factors of 8 are 2, 2 and 2. Okay? And prime factor of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. As prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. So here you can see this 2 is most common. Then this 2 is most common. Okay. Only these 2 numbers are most common. Then this 2 is least common because this 2 is not present over here. ये दो जो 2 है ये सिर्फ इन 2 numbers में common है. So we will take this number also. And this 3 is also common in these 2 numbers. This is not over here. Okay. So we will take this number also. And this 3 is alone. So we will take this 3 also. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. And 24 3s are 72. So your LCM is 72. So here what is written? Bring all the common factors which we have done over here. Taking only one factor out of a set of common factors. And multiply all prime factors. This gives the LCM. So the answer is 72. So children, you understood this? Here we have done exercise 3.3, question number 1 and 2 right now. Now question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Bye bye children. Meet you in the next session.